See the way this woman is holding my child. Ow! Which kind of wahala be this? So that's I call person to come beat myself for my whole house. Hey, look at you. You're so cute. So sweet.
My birthday is almost coming.
Yes.
Yeah.
When is your birthday?
July.
This is white chalk. Yes. And I'll be using this part of the crater, not this part, not this part, not this part, because you need it. You need the chalk to come out like powder, okay? So I'll be using this part to create the chalk so it can be used to massage baby. All right. Then I'll put it in a sieve. You go ahead and sieve. See, this part is rough and this other part is finely created. It's just like powder, okay? And you all know the effect of white chalk on the skin. All right, so this is what will be used to massage baby in place of powder. You had seen where that woman used powder to massage him, but today we are going to use this. All right, so I'll pour this into a container for her to use. You can find this in the market where they sell traditional things, like native things, okay? So once you get into the market in Nigeria, you look for where they sell native items, you'll definitely see this. So I'll be using this old Sudocrem container. I've washed it clean. I'll be using it. I actually looked for a container, powder container, but I couldn't find, so I'll make do with this. I've washed it clean and yeah, I'll put it in there. Now this is it. This is my white chalk, which would be used to bath baby today. This woman, take it easy with my son. Oh, ha! The fact that I asked you to massage my son doesn't mean you should break his hand for me. Ha!
They don't come and do it with him. Look at the food.
The person make an answer. That's a corner.
It might be that we give me that feeling.
Oh my god, so you don't sabi me finish like this.
Even when they look at bad.
Jesus. Oh my god.
And I'm the young boy to get on.
I may lose some things. Yeah, rate me with that that white chalk. Rate me. Sister, rate me no.
I don't. You and I tell them. I want to powder.
Yeah, it's better than powder. Why? I tell my subscribers, why is it better than powder? Because me too, I'm always wondering why you insist. Okay. Look at my baby's bum bum. pinching the skin like that.
Not pinching my boy.
Okay.
I'm massaging.
And you're massaging or you're dragging the skin.
So I thought,
What's the effect of dragging so that
yeah,
eh?
what my work is one.
Ah, please oh, I don't want it fat, please. The one that is fat I am not done. 1 full pack. You know, before we had 0 pack, as in almost 0 pack. Hey boo. Hey darling. Sweetie. Aw, look at you.
There was once a day that I would pray for
Kayo
you.
breast.
I'd go and miss me.
Breast.
So you
Kayo.
noticed too, sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
What are you
Damn,
looking
what a
at?
hell of a view.
Say
I
that.
feel
Enjoy.
you look great. I like you. I can't wait. I first
See baby that I said I don't want him to be fat. See. See fat is coming. See his leg. Hey whoa.
don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
You see? Hey whoa. Hey whoa. This lady is doing my son's strong thing. And he's actually enjoying it. I like the fact that he's not crying.
Falling fast.
Okay, so Ma, why are you doing that now?
It's gone loud.
On the novel.
You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe. Always
Okay. Okay, she's saying that yes now. Okay, answer in English now. She said she cannot speak in English. Traditional people don't speak in English. Okay, so I was asking her why she's pouring hot water on the navel, and she said that the navel, you know, the cord where the cord fell out from is not completely healed, so she's using the hot water to make it heal from inside. See my baby, oh, such a good boy. He's not crying. Oh my god. Oh my god, God gave me the best. Like, I can't thank God enough actually for this bundle. Hey boo. Wealth baby. Wealth baby. Mommy loves you.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave.
Hey,
so
Mama.
you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good. You look great. I like you. I can't wait. A first time.
So we're using some other face oil to wash his face, something different from the one that was used on his body. You know, the face is very delicate. So
So catch me if I fall.
my calm boy, child God. Thank you. Thank you.
Falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fast. I feel good, you look great.
Someone else is careful. So then,
울어? 왜또 울어? 왜또 울어? 왜 이래?
So catch me if I fall.
So baby is being rubbed coconut oil. Just like I said, I prefer coconut oil on them as babies.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a
Please though, my son has pointed nose.
I like you, I can't wait. A first time.
My son has pointed nose.
You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place.
Aku yang mau jalan dan musim. Aku cuma for ini mah. Aku kalau orang ganti, aku orang ganti.
See the way this woman is holding my child. Ow! Which kind of wahala be this so? That's I call person to come beat my son for my own house. That's I call person to come beat my son. Oh, jeez.
You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact.
Like doing này họ kể nào mà bạn đó.
You look great, I like you.
Oh, funny, funny, them.
Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late.
See my
Sip
baby.
wine, I drink straight.
See my sweet
To my
baby.
place, I feel my
See my correct bobo.
if I fall.
Don't Bakara. Look at him. Look at you. You're so cute. So sweet. Aww. And don't worry. See how the ass of peso. Cutie.
Mommy's calling.
Hey, cutie. Hey, cutie. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah, yeah. I love you, okay?
What did I read in the bag?
Yes. Hi. You're going to school?
Yeah.
So look at me. Look at me. Let me see your haircut. Turn your head. Let me see. Aw, I love your haircut. The other way. Turn the other way. Turn this other way. The other side. I want to see your haircut properly. Okay. Look at what this man did to your hair. I didn't approve of this. Anyways, you look good. Guys, I'm going to drop King Great at school right now. Say hello.
Hello.
So, what's today? Today is Monday.
Monday. Tuesday.
Okay.
My birthday is almost coming.
Yes.
Yeah.
When is your birthday?
July. And I'll be 4 years old.
You'll be 4 years old. Very soon you'll be 4 years old. Alright, so what do you say to my subscribers?
Welcome to my mother's channel, Mrs. Dynamic.
Oh, oh my god, this guy is making me blush already. So yeah, the person that is supposed to drop them hasn't come, so let me just do this. This is my morning face. All right. All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye.